In this video, I'll walk you through creating some of the most useful custom usable components using TypeScript. We have considered a JavaScript version of this already, and I'll put a link to that in the description below. To start, we need to do a quick setup, and I'll start by creating a TypeScript-based React Native app. So when prompted, I'll choose the blank TypeScript template. This will then download the template and set up the app for me. We want to have a clean way to style our component. So for that, we'll install the styled components package. You can equally use yarn or npm install. Now because you are using TypeScript, we need to install some types for the styled component. To know the exact types that we need to install, let's search for styled components. And then we visit the documentation. Over here, we visit the API reference. And then we go to TypeScript. Now we see that under React Native, the types you are supposed to install is over here. So we copy the names of the types. Now over here, I'll use Expo install to install them. With that done, I can open the project in a code editor. Now I can also start the application using Expo start. This will start the Metro server, and I can proceed to open the app on an emulator. We have a more detailed video on the app creation and setup, so I'll link to that in the description below. Now starting with our components, we want to keep everything organized. So we'll create one components directory to keep all our components. Inside this component, the first thing we want to do is to create a colors file. And now because of TypeScript, all our files will end in .tsx. Now in this colors file, we want to define some default colors for all our components. This will make it easier to ensure consistent colors across all our components and pages. You can create the same objects on your end if you want a similar outcome in your work. With that done, we move to creating our first main component, and that will be a container.